How you doing, Dr. Ulysses Jackson? Today we're going to talk about it's okay to let go some things. What am I talking about? Yeah, I'm talking about hoarding. I'm talking about people. I'm talking about places, even some things. How did I get up to this right here, man? You know, I was thinking about it. You know, and I'm a mental health doctor. So I was doing some spring cleaning the other day, and I wear size 9.5 now. But back when I was young, I wore size 8.5. So as I'm cleaning up some areas in my house, I started noticing that I had some shoes and some boots that were still 8.5. I said, well, I'll use these to when I do the lawn. I'll use this when I wash my car. Then I put my foot in and I realized that I outgrew those things. So I kind of, you know, what could be thrown away, I threw it away. What could be salvaged was salvaged. But the main thing was I had to think to myself, and being in this profession about hoarding and stuff, I said, you know what? It was okay to get rid of some things. So when we talk about people, places, and things, yeah, there are some people and some places, some things that we also outgrow and have to get rid of. And it's not a bad thing. And when I talk about this, I don't want to say like, you got a degree, you became a master's degree, you're a big corporate executive now, you cut off all your friends. I'm not talking about that type of invasion thing. I'm talking about responsibilities. I'm talking about you now married. You now have kids. You now have grandchildren. You know, you now have a job that demands your time. You now have research to do at night. You know, and always when we talk about this growing up and growing apart and separated, that's always not a bad thing, man. We look at it as, oh, you got rich and switched, or you know, you went to America and then you forgot about it. No, I'm at another place. You know, and it's gonna happen to me too. If I call one of my friends and they say, yo, Doc, I can't talk to you, I'm on the move. Yeah, I'm not mad at them, man. So, like I said, let's focus on it's okay to outgrow some things, man. Like you said, all that, or even for the hoarders out there, you know what I'm saying? Evaluate, you know what I'm saying, what's needed and what's not needed. And also remember, this is not a clinical session. This is an informational session on what you should do and how you can move around and accept letting go some things. Whether it's people, places, things, family members, situations, it's okay, man. Don't be upset. So when you clean up that house and you got all the stuff that you wanted to save and put in the attic and take the storage, and find out that years later it still was no use, it's okay, man. It's okay. You know? Like the things that I'm doing today, I wasn't doing last year. You know what I'm saying? So I had to realize that myself, man, that growing up does not mean that I'm cutting you off and I no longer want to be your friend. So this is Dr. Ulysses Jackson, man. The importance of knowing it's okay to outgrow some things.